ActivInspire makes it easy to add shapes to your flip charts, either by using the annotation tools like the pen or highlighter, or also with the Shape tool. Access the Shape tool from your main toolbox, or go to Insert, Shapes. Another menu appears next to your toolbox. Select the shape you wish to draw. Use the color palette to adjust the shape's line and fill. The cursor changes to indicate your selected shape. From here, just click or press down to draw your shape. ActivInspire will remember your preference and continue producing that shape until you change to another shape or switch to the Selector tool. To move your shape, select it and either drag within the body of the shape or use the X on the marquee handles to freely move the object. To rotate the shape, use the arc on the marquee handles. To change your shape, use the Increase Object Size or Decrease Object Size buttons on the marquee handles to increase or decrease by 10% with each click. Alternately, you can use the sizing handles. Maintain your shape's ratio by using the bottom right sizing handle. Another way to change your shape is by selecting Edit Shape Points from the marquee handle. Click and drag any of the shape points to alter the overall shape. Click outside the object to apply your changes. You may also use the Fill tool from the main toolbox to change your shape's color, both the line and interior fill.